Fáilte Unit a Lichit, Unit 50. In this unit, we'll be finding out how to describe parts of the body, particularly with regard to accidents or injuries.
To ask what happened, you could say, "Je hacher gut." What happened to you? Je hacher gut. Je hacher gut.
To ask what's wrong, you could say, Je ha cearost. What's wrong with you? Je ha cearost. Je ha cearost.
To say that you have hurt yourself, you say, "Gorstich mi heen." I hurt myself. Gorstich mi heen. Gorstich mi heen.
Anfra, je hacher gut.
Gorstig met me heen.
Je gorstig u.
Magloon.
Jennifer, je ha cearost. Gus anna hau a cúne.
Gorstig met my love.
Tród a seo. Bí ceast go leor.
Glún, ní. Glún. Glún. Má glún, my ní. Gusana how a cúneug. Why are you crying? To tell that you have hurt a particular part of your body, you say, for example, Gorstich mi má láv. I hurt my hand.
Two other parts of the body are dream, back, and cas, foot.
To ask what is wrong with a particular part of your body, you say, for example, Je ha cear is do greim. What's wrong with your back?
Listen also for Je ha cear ir do chas. What's wrong with your foot?
Je ha cearir do greim, Alistair.
Gorstich mi anna dda mi clich squash.
Je ha cearir do chas a hine.
Gorstich mi no de vami a ruich.
Sheena said, Gorstich mi I, nor a vami a rui. I hurt it when I was running.
In the next scene, listen for Gorstich mi mo chorak. I hurt my finger. And nuair a húcht mi, when I fell. Nuair a húcht mi. Nuair a húcht mi.
Je hacha de Gavin.
Gorstich mi mo charach nor a húcht mi.
Veli donna.
Chanil.
To say that you have cut yourself, you say, for example, Jaar mi möton. I cut my face. Jaar mi möton. Jaar mi möton.
Another way to ask what happened is to say, Je jerich gut. What happened to you? Je jerich gut. Je jerich gut.
In the next scene, listen for Lish and Rasar with the razor and Chanel aun ach gerach big. It's only a small cut.
Je jerich gut.
Gert me moed en lisje razer. Gaan je lam nach gerrig bik. De a kerst go leor an a minute.
Elbow is ullin. Ullin. Your elbow is dulling. Dulling.
To ask if something is getting better, you might say, A wilt do garstjen a fas na shar. Is your arm getting better? A wilt do garstjen a fas na shar. A wilt do garstjen a fas na shar.
Possible responses might be Hai fata na shar. It's much better.
Or chanil. Hae na smisse na vae. No, it's worse than it was.
Jé de chora haramich, ver de garst in a fas na séir.
Chanil, hanes missen na vai.
Och, ha mi dulich singe gloinjing.
Vil dullen je fast na sér.
Ha, hai fatte na siar in ish.
A road accident is tupest right. Tupest right. To say what kind of injury you received in a road accident, you might say, Gorstich mi mo grím, aunen tupest right.
Alec, Jé, hachad goed.
Gostig mi ma grym an y tupas straat.
Oh, ha mi dulich, charo is akum.
Ankle is upron. Upron. My ankle is murpron. Hoot me agus skoch me murpron. I fell and sprained my ankle.
Hoot me agus gorstich me mo glún. I fell and hurt my knee.
Jé, wou het je aan van jou.
Ga mi kosioch son mieltjen.
En de garst dat ucht.
Garst, ach huts mi, ag skoch mi möbran.
Hallo, has je weer tien? Kim maar hoe je weer dorsten, Jew?
Hucht mich agus garstig mi mo glún.
Tro de shock is a fech me.
Throw the shaw, gusum feich me I. Come here till I see it.
Her leg is a cas, while his leg is a chas. To say she broke her leg, you say vrishi a cas. Vrishi a cas. If you're talking about a male, however, it's vrishe a chas. He broke his leg. Vrishe a chas. Vrishe a chas.
Cos annach al seira agus Christian je sér.
Ba tupestach geht in jachking sa chai. Vrish is a kas. Agus garstig is in de chas kutjach.
Mach rech. Aber du bist.
In the roundup, a member of a hospital casualty department is telling her friends some of the cases she dealt with that day. Listen for Vrishi a cruachan. She broke her hip. Nakan ankor. Don't say any more.
Jees er la wakker tek dop in de heunach.
Wa grot.
Oh, kimmer.
Tu bastjen fatte wa. Han ik borre nog eens jachans een ambulance. Vriesje je kruachen nur a huichtje er steire.
Oh, braunjak.
Gaan je schönule. Gorstig borre nog hele trein getane. Jaar voor nog een gas getane. Gorstig voor nog hele garst aan han een hupast.
Is de heunach na kannen goor. Wa wat dan akt.
Camera Hashiv. Faltu go unit Lichit Sahun, Unit 51. In this unit, we'll be considering health issues. To ask how someone is feeling, you say, Camera how a ferachking. How are you feeling?
To ask after someone's state of health, you can also say, Avilo faraking kjarst kuljar. Are you feeling okay? Or you can say, Kimara how a kumal. How are you keeping? Kimara how a kumal. Kimara how a kumal.
Kimmer hou a fedachking in Jew graai. A villa a fedachking kerst geleor.
Ha me jam garst haast.
A villa graai. Scher goed voedige stay in Jew.
Hallo, Hele. Sat aan oorsen. Kim maar hou kumal.
Ha mi kumal gema tapelet. Kimmer hou heen kumal.
Garam ik kumahert aan Chris. Ach, ga mi na sjaren is.
Yfed sy'n fy cymal gymaha ffol.
Chanil, be mae stamach y cwrt drygaran?
Bí mo stomach a cur dragarom. My stomach bothers me. Bí mo stomach a cur dragarom. Bí mo stomach a cur dragarom.
To tell someone what is good for them, you say, Hai magucht, it's good for you. Or, for example, Ha messen magucht, fruit is good for you. Ha messen magucht. Ha messen magucht.
Dje, sjeo. Ni sjeo ma vrechgast.
Messen y lwyll, ha messen magwcht.
Ha isakam. Ha chatulle mat the son ma vrechgast.
To say it is good for you to do something, you say, for example, Ha e magut began echgersich a janov. It's good for you to do a little exercise. Ha e magut began echgersich a janov. Ha e magut began echgersich a janov.
Dje ha sy'n fy Gianif.
Ha mi o rwy. Ha mawth be gan eich gysych i anw.
To tell someone what's not good for them, you say, Chanele magucht, or, for example, Chanel smochkug magucht. Smoking isn't good for you. Chanel smochkug magucht.
Chanil smochgach magucht.
Ha mi dwlich. Fel a cwrt drygors.
Ha.
Cwyd mi ase ma ha.
Avele a kurtragost, is it bothering you? Kurimi ase maha. I'll put it out then.
To say it is not good for you to do something, you say, for example, Chanile magut kustrag avi ost muruten. It's not good for you to be too worried about things.
Dje ha ciar Isabel, ha wa caib tŵrsach.
Ha mi tŵsach.
Och, an je le magwcht cws drug of the ost maruten.
To tell somebody what is bad for them, you say, Ha et donegucht, or, for example, Ha kus gir donegucht. Too much fat is bad for you. Ha kus gir donegucht. Ha kus gir donegucht.
Ha kus giz donegucht. Chanil mi a gyr marak hwy de ffraig a gydist.
Ha mi dwlich, ha diel biog sy'n bieles, dai.
Gai mi tydach ar an dwm ma.
Maraku era fraieku, fried black pudding. The teenager said, Gai mi jirach aram down maha. I'll just take brown bread then.
In the next scene, listen for Ha et donegucht avi a gal kus saling. It's bad for you to take too much salt.
Ha donegucht vi gal kus saling.
Ha isacum.